Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we will discuss about one amazing thing, bok choy. It's a type of Chinese cabbage. It's crisp, light green stalk and tender leaves. It's very fast growing plant, often ready for harvest in 7 to 10 weeks after planting. It grows in cool weather and needs full sun. What is special about bok choy? It's high in calcium, phosphorus, iron, magnesium, and vitamin K. All of these are essential for maintaining strong and healthy bones. Bok choy contains the minerals like potassium, magnesium, and calcium, which help in regulating blood pressure. Bok choy is good for digestion because it is rich in fiber. Bok choy is excellent for weight loss because it's very low in calories and rich in fiber and water. Bok choy strengthens the immune system and aid in, you can say, wound healing. Bok choy contains copper in small amount which help in production of red blood cells. It's good for eye health too. Its young and tender leaves can be eaten raw, and mature and larger bok choy leaves are primarily cooked. Bok choy is popularly stir-fried or mixed with vegetables. Bok choy is also simmered into soups, stews, and curries or mixed in rice and noodle dishes. It can be sliced and added in salads for a fresh crunch. Marinated and roasted bok choy is also very delicious. It's a delicious option. Now the question is there any disadvantage of bok choy? The main disadvantage of bok choy include bloating and gas, especially when it is eaten in raw. And presence of vitamin K can also be a concern for individuals uh, on blood thinning medications. Some people may be allergic to bok choy. Better if we cook and eat it. Bok choy is a healthy addition to the diet when consumed in moderation. If you like the video, please share with your friends. Thank you.